Hey everyone, it's me again, Dr. Zach. So, Dr. C is just on the 50% solution, so I'm going to go ahead and do the 25%, just how she did the 50%. So we have our pure 0.041 grams per liter solution, and so I'm going to do it as 2.5 milliliters and then fill it up to 10 so that I can get that 25% dilution. And so I'm going to start by trying to just pour, see if I could hit 2.5 mils or get close. Oh, I am almost there, so I'm just going to use the pipette to just try to add a couple more drops to get to the 2.5. And I think that's about 2.5, wherever that meniscus is, maybe a little droplet. Okay, so there we go. And so now I have 2.5, and I'm gonna fill it to 10 using the water. So there we go. Okay, so that looks like it's about 10. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in the beaker so that we can mix our solution. So there we go. Get it all in there. And just go ahead and swirl it around. Okay, so that's ready to go, 25%. So we'll take the cuvette that we used before for the 50% solution. I'm gonna dump it in the sink. Go ahead and rinse with the 25%. So I'm gonna go ahead and swirl it around. Just make sure that there's nothing left. And now we can fill it to about 3/4. Okay, well, that's probably good. Tap it a couple times. I think, oh good, no bubbles. Happy with that. So, but I'll wipe it off anyways. I might have touched it a little or something, so we don't want any fingerprints on the sides. Let me just wipe that off. Okay, and back into our spectrometer it goes with the clear sides facing towards the light. And now we'll run it again. So we can go ahead and hit the green arrow. We don't need our old run. And so now it's thinking, and there we go. There's our spectra. Okay, and so now again we try to get it at that same wavelength. I'll see if I could do as good as Dr. C and get it right back where we started. And that's not it. Okay. Yeah. Can I get 24.4 or 425.2? Probably not, because Dr. C is more of a rock star than I am. So, let's see where we want to call it good. Let's call that good. Now, if we really want to get it, there is a data table that we could look at, though. So, if you are being super picky, you could open up this data table and actually look for that wavelength on it. But maybe that's for another time. In any case, we have our absorbance over here, so be sure to write down that number. And it's going to go on your data sheet right here where it says 25%. And then to get the concentration, you could just take whatever you calculated for 50% and cut it in half.